I love the snow where I live, but the snow does not like me. I dropped my phone 3 days ago in the snow, and I could not find it until the snow thawed yesterday, just in time before it started snowing again today. Well, it was too late. The water got inside my phone, ruined it, it wouldn't work, so I sent it to a national repair center in Los Angeles. I found them online at www.cellphoneservicecenter.com. 3 days later, today, I got my phone back, fixed, no issues at all. All the customer service was awesome. They communicated quick with me by email, text, and the best part is that they are so affordable. I gotta get back in before I drop my phone.